Cooler temperatures not only delay us in the morning, but can also cause your vehicle's battery to take a little longer to get going as well. I'm Eric with Master Technician Serge, and we're here to ensure your vehicle is prepared for when the temperatures start dropping.
The battery is one of the most important parts when it comes to your vehicle's overall health. The average battery life spans from 4 to 5 years, but can become worn down as early as 3 years, depending on your vehicle model, extreme temperatures, and the amount you drive.
How do you know if it's time to replace your battery?
A few indicators that will alert you when it might be time to change your batteries are if you notice your car takes longer than normal to start, the check engine light may come on, or you notice a rotten egg smell. Batteries can also become weaker when exposed to excessive heat or cold temperature. This causes the battery to swell or bulge.
If you notice any of these issues with your vehicle, it's best to make an appointment or stop in to speak with a Hyundai certified technician. Fall is the perfect time for routine battery inspection, as colder weather can be harsh on a vehicle's battery. Being proactive about maintenance for your battery will enhance its lifespan and will save you both time and money in the long run. Safe travels.